Welcome to the recorded demo video of Municipal Trade License Management System for Section Head. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Admin Login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting Admin Login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the trade module from the available options. Upon selecting the trade module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the application analytics screen on the section head dashboard. The section head dashboard provides an overview of applications on the Trade Application Analytics page, including total pending applications, new applications pending, applications pending for renewal, applications pending for amendment, applications pending for surrender, applications received today, and applications forwarded today. To track the application status, navigate to the dashboard menu and select the Track License option. Upon selecting the Track License option, the list of applications will be displayed along with options to export applications in PDF format and a filter to search for the desired application. Navigate to the dashboard and select the Trade Workflow option to perform the related actions. Upon selecting the trade workflow, the list of application will displayed along with the option to export applications in PDF format and a filter to search for the desired application. Select your desired application and click on the View option to take action related to the application. The complete application details will be displayed along with the application status and options for related actions. To view the list of uploaded documents, click on the View Document option. The list of uploaded documents will be displayed. After viewing, click the Action option to forward the application to the next department. Enter your comments related to the application, click Send Comment, select the Escalate checkbox, and then click the Forward button. A confirmation message stating comment recorded and application forwarded. To view the trade report, select the Trade Report option on the dashboard. Upon selecting the Trade Report option, various types of reports will be displayed for viewing, such as Trade License Status Report, Valid and Expired Licenses, EO Approved List, Trade Collection Report, Team Summary. Click on the View Report option for the desired report to view it. Using the filter, the user can retrieve the desired license status. In the same manner, the user can view all the reports. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.